So a couple months ago, a company called RelayThat.com actually sent me an email, and they wanted me to check out their website because their website is a software you can actually use to create marketing graphics. So I know a lot of you guys also have your own businesses, and you're probably seeing like these graphics that these other businesses are always posting on like Instagram or Pinterest or Facebook, and you're probably wondering how they make them. They use softwares like this. And this is why I wanted to share it with you guys. I've only played with it just a little bit, so I'm not like really familiar with it, but I still think it was really cool and I wanted to share it with you guys. They're not paying me to make this video, but they did provide me with an affiliate code. So if you guys decide to sign up, be sure to use my code and it'll help me out. It'll give me like a little bit of money. But yeah, so use my code. It'll be down in the description box and I'll put it in the pinned comment if you decide to sign up. But you can make really cool graphics with it. I haven't used it too much, so I'm not really like super familiar with it. I haven't mastered it, but I'll show you guys a few of the graphics that I made just to give you guys an idea of the kinds of things you can create. So I'm sure you guys are wondering about pricing. It looks like it is $25 a month, and I think like up to 2 users can use it. I'm not like I said, I don't really know everything about this. I'm really just making this video to show you guys it because I think it's really cool. But I'll give you guys just like a little tutorial on how to make a graphic. So first off, they have all these different categories, I guess. There's like blank light, which would be like a white background, a blank dark with a dark background. If you do fitness content, outdoors, education, coffee shop, all kinds of stuff. This is the small business section. I actually don't really use any of these personally. I always like to go to the blank light. I just always like a good clean white background. It just makes it easier for me. So this is like the ads section, and you can make all kinds of different just shapes, I guess. I don't really know what to call them. So we have this little thing right here, and I'll show you guys how it works. So I go to uploads, and this is where you can actually upload your own images. I've already uploaded like a crap ton of images, but I'll just show you guys how easy it is. Just drag your image over and it'll pop in there. And then you can obviously like click on it and then adjust it to size to make it fit or be whatever size you want it to be. And you can even like change the coloring of the images. And then I just go back to uploads, all uploads, and then just like drag a background photo. So like, I don't know, that looks cute, I guess. Personally, I don't really like this gray thing right here. So what I'm going to do is actually, oh, well, I wanted to get rid of that one too. So that works. There we go. So yeah, like I said, I'm not like 100% familiar with this, but as you play around with it, it'll get easier. See, you can see where an image will get laid down. Actually, I want an image there. Get rid of this image. There we go. And then you can resize it to get it to do whatever you want. And then I'm gonna move this over here. And then this is a little button, and I'm gonna make it say subscribe. And then over here is where you change the text. And just move it around. I'm going to move that over here. Sorry, my cat's trying to come in the room. Come on, Luna. And then over here, when you want to change the text, just click on it. And then you go over here to type it. Learn how to formulate skincare products. And then you just adjust it to size. That works. And honestly, I'm not really too impressed with the whole text option. Like, I personally really like to, okay, so, well, first, you change the color by clicking that and then moving it around. But I don't really like, I don't know, I just don't feel like you can really edit the text as much as I would like. Maybe I just don't know how to use it, because like I said, I haven't been using this for too long. But typically, I like to make my text white with like a dark border around it, but the best you can do is like a shadowing. There's no way to actually do a border, but I don't know, maybe I just haven't figured it out yet. But then they have all kinds of different texts you can use, or you can upload your own text. So I'm really happy with the amount of text they offer. There we go. So that's just like a little simple graphic. And what's really cool is when you go down here, they'll just easily take what you have created and then just sort of change it. So let's click this one. So as you can see, they took what you already had uploaded and then added it here. And then you can even go through and move around the images if you would like. And obviously this other image is popping through, so we can just get rid of that and use this image instead. Or if you want, just go ahead and replace it. So go to uploads, all upload. We can like replace it with this. We can get rid of the circle if we don't want it and just keep like this little light thing. We can get rid of the text if we don't want that, but actually, yeah, I don't want it. And I don't want this button either. I'm really just kind of coming up with something. I don't really know what I'm doing right now. Let's go to uploads, all uploads, and I'm going to put my logo here. And then we're going to make this say, handmade, vegan, cruelty-free skincare products. And then change this text to say TaraLee.Store. And then you can even change the color of this shape. You just want to click on it and there it is. You can even get rid of it if you want. You can make it like whatever color you want. There, I think that looks the best. And then you can make it like more transparent. And I don't really like the way this looks, so let's change the text. And we need to change the color because it's like a blue. So let's scroll up, click there. I'm going to make it white also. And here's another thing. For some reason, the color block always like blocks the photo like it is right now. So I can't even see it changing the color. So there are little like defects that sort of bother me with this. So just pointing that out. And then we're going to make it a little shadow behind it. And yeah, there you go. There's another cute little graphic. And then whenever you want to save it, you just click download. You can make it a PNG or JPG, whatever works for you. But yeah, and then you can go down here, change all those. All right, whatever. So let's go back to the beginning. New workspace, blank lights. Go to layouts and then click medium rectangle. And then look at all of these beauties. So there's all kinds of different things like, ooh, this one would be really good for a lot of you guys. This is where you can like, see how it has a 5-star rating? You can like put a quote of something of a 5-star rating you received and then like go to your uploads, all uploads. So I'll just show you guys a little example. So let's put this here because that's my brand's logo. And then let's just say they left a review for this rose cream. All right, let's get rid of this block. And then we can move this photo like that. Don't want that line either, so let's get rid of that line. Now the backdrop, or the border, I mean, I'm gonna make that white. And I don't like how that looks there, so we're gonna put that here. And then we're gonna type here in text 3, TaraLee.Store. And then we're gonna change the color of it to white. Then we're gonna have a shadowy background in the text. And then change the lettering. There we go. Put that there. And then I'm gonna get rid of this right here. And then let's just make up a review somebody left. Best moisturizer ever! Exclamation point. And then obviously we can like change this around. This graphic actually didn't end up being that cute. And you can like move it around, anything around, just whatever it is, you can just move it around. I don't think I can move around these 5 stars though. No, those look like they're permanent. Either way, you guys get the gist of what I'm trying to show you. Oh, this little thing, let's get rid of that too. There you go. And then again, they'll offer like different things here. Like if you want to change the layout, do something like that and edit everything in there. Let's go back over here to layouts. They just have some really cute stuff. Like this one's super cute. Love this one. So let's change the background photo. think this is the last example I'm going to show you guys. I'm just trying to give you guys like a little idea of everything this has got to offer. Whatever, that's cute. Get rid of that. And we got TaraLee.Store. Let's make this a little bigger. So I love how they like carry over everything you're already using, because it does make it a lot easier when you're just kind of like playing around with different things to see what you like. There we go. And then just the text. The more you use it, the easier it'll get. Cute. There we go. And if you want to change these sections, you can make them like more transparent, which I think looks a lot better. And there you go, it's a whole other graphic. And if you want to change the background, you know, just easily slide that over. And then under here, it'll change it into different sizes, so. And obviously you can just get rid of that if you don't want it. So it's so like, I don't know, it's just so handy. You can make so many different things. So like if you're trying to market on like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, on your Instagram story, you can easily just take one graphic you made and then obviously like change it to each size. Like this is literally says Pinterest pin, so it'll be the size of a Pinterest pin. So you don't have to resize it. And then square post, so that would be a post for Instagram. And then, oh, this is YouTube thumbnail. So YouTube thumbnail, there you go. Blog post, vertical story, so to post on your Instagram story. Oh my gosh, I'm like selling myself on this even more. This is like is a lifesaver. Twitter header. There's so many times when I'll have like a graphic of something that I created and then it like doesn't fit into everything that I needed to fit in, like my Instagram story and all that. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you're going to be trying it out. And yeah, use my code if you decide to purchase it. And yeah, have fun editing. Best of luck with your business. Talk to you guys later.
Stardust Bath & Body, Nature's Farm Girl, Kennedy's Essentials, LettsBlend, Wallflower Wildflower, Heartfelt Beauty, KAJ Bath & Body, Blue Mint Soap, Salt Air Label, Lenny's Beauty, Shark City Naturals, Ohana Lay, Danny Botanicals, Himpy Girl, Brie Maquillage, Alchemy and Clay, Bible Belt Boutique, London Latris, Naturally Flawless, Beauty by Riza, Bijab Spa, Facial Daily Rituals, and Your Spiritual Midwife 333. Also, if you didn't know, I sell skincare products myself over on Etsy. I'll have my Etsy shop linked down below, along with all my lovely patrons.
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision, now I'm on a mission to find myself.